Today, we're going to talk about how you make your lunch, and welcome to Eric's Autism World channel, episode 21. Today, we're going to demonstrate how you make your lunch. For privacy reasons, I will not be identifying this person that's in this video and will not identify the person's name. Unfortunately, it will not be identified. So, furthermore, she's going to demonstrate how she makes her lunch. Okay, we're not making no announcement. Let's do this really quick. Show my prescribers, how do you make your lunch? Can you show me? Show me what's in your lunch. Open up your lunchbox for me, please. Noises are not necessary. You need to focus. What do you make in your lunch every day? Tell me.
I got cheese.
How many pieces of cheese?
2.
I think that's too many. But leave it. It's fine. Can you show my prescribers what cheese looks like? They want to know.
It's like a cheese.
Can you show them on the video, please? Get one piece of cheese. Get one piece of cheese. Okay, good job. You can put that in there. What else is in your lunch?
Doritos.
Okay, show them the chips. Show them that. Good job. Okay, what else do you have in your lunch?
Banana. Got banana.
Okay, and what else? You said cheese?
Cheese.
Oh, you forgot something.
Cheese and Doritos.
If you're thirsty.
Juice.
Oh, you took my bagels out. That was a mistake.
Kool-Aid.
Okay, well, show me. Get a bottled water from the refrigerator. Get one bottled water and put it in your lunchbox, please. You're doing awesome.
Kool-Aid.
Okay, we're demonstrating, okay? I want people to know how they need to make their lunch if they have autism, like your brother. So, let's continue with the demonstration. Okay, you want to show them the water?
I put the Kool-Aid in there. I put
Okay, your brother does that. Okay, put it in the lunchbox. Okay, good job.
You put
Okay, tell me again. What's in your lunchbox? Show me the first thing. What do you have in your lunchbox? What did you just put in there? Do you want to do... Here, just point to it. Okay, we'll show the lunchbox, not you. Okay? For privacy reasons. Show me, point to it. What's that?
It's a banana.
Banana, and what's underneath of it? There's water. What's cheese? Show me. Where's the banana? Where's the banana?
Yeah.
Alright, good job. Where's the chips?
Yeah.
Show brother the chips.
Yeah.
Okay. Where's the cheese? Where's your cheese stick thing? You just put it in there. Okay, good job.
Good job.
Okay. I'm going to end this. I'm not going to show anymore. But thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one. And please come back and join me on Eric's Autism World channel, and we'll have more episodes later on. Thank you for joining us. Say bye.
Bye.
See, tell them you'll